Can you guys believe it? Screencast-O-Matic cut me off. The nerve. Anyways, we got about 5 more minutes here, so here's China part 2. All right, but it's only about 5 more minutes. All right, so as I was saying, Macartney refuses to kowtow, really insults Emperor Qinglong. Clash of communication here, miscommunication going to lead to some lasting results and lasting tensions between China and England in particular. All right, and Emperor Qinglong, he actually writes a document, very famous, called the Two Edicts of Emperor Qinglong to the King of England, where he literally writes a letter to King George III of England saying, "We refuse your proposal. We don't want your stuff. We don't need to trade with you. We're good. We're trading with you out of the goodness of our hearts." Essentially, that's what he's saying here, right? And it's a very interesting letter that he writes to the King of England, and it really kind of shows this dynamic of authority that the Emperor of China has in regards to trade with Europeans at this point in history. They really still have the upper hand. It's going to change a little bit down the line, but at this point, the Chinese emperor in China really has the upper hand in this trade network here. By the way, I think this is always very interesting. This is a Chinese depiction of Emperor Qinglong. Pretty regal there, right? Looking pretty nice. Here is an English interpretation of Emperor Qinglong. Little bit different there. We got Macartney over here, right? Not kowtowing. These guys back here are kowtowing, but Macartney won't do it, right? Emperor Qinglong, maybe not the most attractive of depictions here of Emperor Qinglong, especially compared to this one. Maybe some bias here, right? We can see some different interpretations of this source. All right, guys, so this has been fun. Hopefully you learned something here. Mr. Swain is going to be coming at you with a lecture on Japan. It'll be a good time, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.